Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful new function that will supercharge your Amazon FBA management right within Google Sheets. Let's get started. We have the Get My FBA Removal Recommendation function. This is a game changer for anyone wanting to optimize their FBA inventory and cut down on those pesky storage fees. To access this function, simply go to the asinzen Insight menu and then click on Function Builder. Next, navigate to the Seller Account section. Now, you'll need to specify a start date and an end date for the report. Once you've entered your dates, simply click the button. The add-on will now retrieve your Amazon FBA removal recommendations. As you can see, the data is being populated directly into your sheet. This includes critical insights into your recommended removals, helping you identify slow-moving or problematic products. You'll find details like the ASIN, SKU, and more. This information is invaluable for making informed decisions about your inventory. But here's where it gets even better. You can easily customize the data you want to see. Simply drag and drop to rearrange the data, or select and deselect specific data points to filter out what you don't need. This allows you to focus on the exact data you need, saving you time and effort. To get started and explore all the other powerful features of asinzen Insight, simply install the add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on how to optimize your Amazon business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.